Forex is short for foreign exchange. It's a global market where you buy and sell currencies. Think of it like exchanging money when you travel. But in Forex, you're doing it to hopefully make a profit. You buy a currency hoping its value will go up. Then you sell it later for a higher price. Forex trading is exciting and fast-paced. It's also risky if you don't know what you're doing. That's why many traders use strategies to help them make smarter decisions. One popular approach is time-based trading. It focuses on when to trade just as much as what to trade. Time-based Forex trading is all about taking advantage of market hours. Currencies are traded 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. But trading activity isn't the same throughout the day. Certain times are busier and more volatile than others. This is where time-based strategies come in. These strategies involve identifying specific periods when the market is most likely to move. Traders then plan their trades around these periods to capitalize on potential price swings. By understanding how different trading sessions behave, you can increase your chances of success. Two of the most important trading sessions for Forex traders are the London session and the New York session. The London session is open from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. GMT. The New York session is open from 1 p.m. to 10 p.m. GMT. These sessions overlap for a few hours, creating a period of high trading volume and volatility. During these sessions, major economic news and data releases often occur. This can cause significant price fluctuations, presenting opportunities for traders. By focusing on these key sessions, you can align your trading activity with periods of increased market movement. To succeed with time-based trading, you need the right tools and mindset. First, choose a reliable Forex broker that offers tight spreads and fast execution speeds. Next, familiarize yourself with a trading platform that provides real-time market data and charting tools. Start by practicing on a demo account to test different time-based strategies without risking real money. As you gain experience, gradually increase your trading size and always use risk management techniques. Remember, patience and discipline are crucial for long-term success in Forex trading.